My Etsy shop has officially opened. This day has finally come, and I cannot express how excited I am right now to introduce my new products to you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. I have been preparing for my shop to open for months. From the shop ideas to designing the products, researching and finding many materials that were needed to make the products, then printing the cards and the bookmarks, and cutting the stickers. Also to learn how to package the orders and ship them. It's been a long learning journey and also a trial and error process. I have wasted so many sticker sheets, cardstocks, inks, and even broke the cutting head of my sticker cutting machine during this process. Although this learning process is not the most difficult part for me, I think the biggest challenge is my mental barrier. As I have been doubting myself a lot while making my shop, being confident has not been easy for me. However, I'm so glad my shop is now finally open. I'm so thankful for the support from my friends and family. My first customer is my daughter's friend. She is a very sweet and caring girl. Before I opened my shop, she told me, "I will be your first customer." And she even repeated twice. Then she really was my first customer. I'm very grateful for the love and the support from this sweet girl to me and my small business. Moving on to what you will find in my shop. So far, you will find plainer sticker sheets, cute illustration vinyl single stickers, faith-based stickers, bookmarks, and cards. The stickers are great for journals, laptops, water bottles, or mostly anything you would want to put it on. There are also digital planer printables in my shop too. Please show some love and click the link down below to take a look at my shop. Also, a big thank you to my Instagram community for the encouragement and the support to me. So many of my friends there have been very kind and warm-hearted. I'm so grateful to them. To celebrate my Etsy shop grand opening and also the new year of 2021, I'm offering a 30% off discount for the entire shop. A discount for all stickers, greeting cards, printables, and the bookmarks. Please go to my shop and take a look, or just click the link in the description below to get started. I really hope you will find something you like and take advantage of this discount. This 30% discount offer will only last for a few weeks, so make sure not to miss it out. For me, it's actually very fun to make all of these products. As you can see, I have been running this shop all by myself. When the printings come out, it's very exciting for me to see the drawings become alive. Laminating the bookmarks and adding the last touches to them are so fun to do too. I really like the feeling of holding the sturdy laminated bookmarks and then cutting round corners to finish them up. I have a great time packaging too, putting the greeting cards with the brown envelopes into the bags. So the cards are ready to go. It's really fun for me. I have many different card designs, such as floral note cards, also available as thank you notes, 𝗙𝗥𝗚𝗘𝗘 birthday cards, marshmallow thank you notes, Christmas cards, greeting cards with verses from the Bible, and the welcome baby cards with 3 different color choices. I offer most of my cards in both English and Chinese, as some of my friends and family prefer to have it in Chinese. For making stickers after the cutting machine finishes cutting the stickers out of the sticker sheets, it is very satisfying for me to peel the stickers off to test if the cutting is right. These 3 lovely planner sticker sheets are perfect for bullet journals, planners, scrapbooks, or anything your heart desires to use them on. I use these stickers to make my December bullet journal spreads look better and prettier. Currently, I have 4 different styles of bookmarks, with some that are faith-based with Bible verses, also in both English and Chinese. One of the bookmarks is just an illustrated floral design without words. Next are the faith-based single vinyl stickers. I designed 8 different stickers with this friend art style. I wanted to use the simple verses on these stickers to remind people of God's love and grace. Finally, it's the cute single vinyl stickers. I drew an adorable marshmallow family, marshmallow lovers, avocados, a snowman, a lamp, a bunny, and other kawaii style characters. I always love drawing them with a sweet smile that also puts a smile on the faces of people who see them. Can you believe this avocado sticker is so far the most popular item in my shop? I'm shocked even though I really like this avocado sticker too. Do you like this kind of cute stickers? Or do you like something else? Please let me know down in the comments so that I can design more of what you guys like. For the planner and the bullet journal lovers here, I'm designing a brand new free printable for you. But before the free printable comes out, I'm offering a 2021 New Year future log, year calendar, and the trackers printables. Since it's already 70% off, you can get it the 30% off New Year sales to get another discount on it to buy it at $1.05. I hope you will like using it to start this new year. If you would like, please head over to my shop and get this discounted digital printable right away. Please check out my shop to see if there is anything you like. The 30% off discount is for a limited time only. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your support is very important and means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!